Jay Bond here, Bond Real Estate Group of eXp Realty. Welcome back to our channel, San Luis Obispo Real Estate. If you're tuning in for a new construction condo here in beautiful Atascadero, California, you are in the correct place. So if you caught our last video, we were at 8395 Amapoa Avenue. Here today, we are at 8393 Amapoa Avenue in Atascadero, California. So this is the Amapoa Lake Park Home Development. This is a new construction development, brand new condo that we see here before us. Now this is a 6-unit development, right? So not too many units. Location is phenomenal. You're just off of Highway 41, short distance to beautiful Morro Bay, so very close, popular beach here on the Central Coast, as well as the Atascadero Zoo, and of course the Atascadero Lake, right? So very, very cool. Now this unit in particular, this is boasting just shy of 1,700 square feet of living space, right? 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, as well as some outdoor and patio space. So we are in, if you didn't guess already, the living room here at 8393 Amapoa Avenue, right? So very spacious living room, very open as well, and it runs long in this room, which is nice because it allows for larger pieces of furniture, right? Maybe sectional couches, recliners, etc., etc. But nonetheless, I think a very beautiful space for entertaining. Now you're going to notice, admittedly, this is kind of a 180 mirrored version of the last unit that we toured from our previous video. So same floor plan, everything just mirrored right on the opposite side. So much like we saw before, uniformly, if you will, is our powder room, right? Servicing the lower portion of the home, pedestal sink, vanity, commode. All right, nice half bath there downstairs. Now this could be, of course, what you consider maybe a formal dining area, right? You could fit a small dining room table or a larger one, right? Depending on how much of the space you want to use. Much like we saw in the other unit, we have a nice side yard or patio access off of this dining space, which is really, really cool. Now we didn't show the side yard on the last unit. We will on this unit, as well as the back patio. Not just yet. We want to hold on for that, but I will show you guys before the end of this video here. So let's make our way to the kitchen. So what I love about the floor plan of these units is how much open living space you're actually getting. So as we see, we're utilizing this back wall here. We have a lot of run for more counter space, right? As well as cabinetry. There's a lot of built-in cabinets here. So a lot of storage, a lot of countertop space, great for cooking, great for hosting, right? Which is excellent. Stainless steel appliances, right? We've seen that uniformly between these two units, right? As we've seen. So really nice finishes, subway tile backsplash, really cool color palette in here. Blends very well. And then this section here, again, this could be also a dining table space, right? Formal dining, or if you just want a little breakfast table, breakfast nook, you might call it, right? This is your space for that, right? And again, just like we saw in the other unit, we have our back patio access right here as well, right? Which we will check out towards the tail end of this video. Now again, 2-car garage, right? So look very comparable to the other one. All of these units, tankless water heaters, but we have a nice garage here with a light cooking. And this is a nice size 2-car garage. All right. Now, as always, gang, I want you to know we love you. We appreciate you. We love you tuning in. Do us a solid, do us a favor. Hey, if you like what you're seeing, hit that thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to new content that we're dropping regularly, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to receive notifications. We love you. We appreciate you. We want you watching. We want to be a resource for you here on the Central Coast real estate market. So gang, let's go upstairs. Let's check out the bedrooms, bathrooms, and beyond here in this condo. All right, so upstairs we have 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, right? Or I should say a 3/4 and a full bathroom. And then of course we have our laundry room. But let's take a look real quick at guest bedroom number 1, all right? Nice size room, closet space. We cut in these extra windows here just to get some extra light flowing through this room. A really nice guest bedroom, right? Now, just right across the hall, and as we dogleg right here to the left, Much like we saw in the last video, we have some extra built-in linen storage right here, right? Which is really cool. You can't have enough storage. I promise you, you can't. Now, laundry room. This is a really sizable laundry room. And here, washer dryer hookups. We've got some upper cabinets, right? We also have these built in here, countertop space, ironing, folding, whatever you want to do. Perhaps a baby changing station, you choose, right? Options up to you. Guest bath, full bath, granite countertops, nice tiled shower, commode, beautiful finishes there. And then we're gonna hook around here and let's catch guest bedroom number 2. And again, very much mirrored to the last guest bedroom that we saw, but still very sizable room. Queen size furniture, I would say, in here. You could probably fit a king bed. I think that's doable. But if you want additional furniture, I'd say maybe queen, fit in the queen here. Nightstands, dresser, the whole bed. All right, again, a lot of natural light coming in. We see the beautiful green pouring through the trees there, or the window from all the trees, I should say. Tongue-tied day today. Then our master bedroom, right? So really nice size master bedroom, much like we saw in the adjacent unit. 2 closet spaces. We've got kind of formal style closet with the doors, and then a decent sized walk-in closet, which is really cool, really nice. His and hers. Maybe a hers and hers, right? I know ladies like shoes, they like clothes. And then a beautiful master bathroom. Again, dual vanity, commode, enclosed shower. All right, beautiful space here in this new construction, 2025 build condo here in Atascadero. Now, again, I've asked you guys, but I'd love the support. If you like what you're seeing, hey, make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you want to stay tuned for new content we're dropping, and that bell to get notifications from us. I love it. All right, let's check out the backyard patio, the side yard, and we're going to wrap up our tour here at 8393 Amapola Avenue. Stay tuned. All right, gang, as promised, here is the side yard at 8393 Amapola Avenue. Now, again, this is off of what would be your formal dining and or living area onto the side yard. And then, of course, this brings us out to our back deck, right? Very ample space. We'll kind of do a little 180 around here, but a lot of yard space at these condos, very private, new fencing all the way around. Again, this is a new construction unit, gang. New decking, everything, beautiful space. We have water, we have gas stubbed out here if you want to install barbecue, maybe jacuzzi or a hot tub, fire pit perhaps, a sitting area, but just beautiful. And if you see all the greenery around us with these trees and the whole bit, the location is great. Again, we're just off of Highway 41 in between Atascadero and Morro Bay near Atascadero Zoo, right? As well as the lake here in Atascadero. So very killer locale. This one is priced at $650,000, right? 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, just under 1,700 square feet, 2-car garage, 8393 Amapola Avenue, Atascadero. This is going to be hitting the market any day, gang. As always, we love you. We appreciate you. Thanks for tuning in. Whether or not you have questions about this condo or really any property here on the Central Coast, reach out to your preferred broker or give us a call. We love you. We want to help you. We want to answer your questions. We want to make sure that you get the service you need. Thanks for tuning in.